Some people love living in a big city, while others prefer the peace and quiet of the countryside. Both ways of life have their advantages and disadvantages, and the best choice depends on your personality, your job, and your family situation. Living in a city has many advantages. Cities offer more job opportunities, better hospitals, and a wider variety of restaurants, shops, and entertainment. Public transportation is usually good, so you don't always need a car. However, cities can also be noisy, crowded, and expensive. Many people who live in cities complain about traffic, pollution, and the high cost of housing. Rural life, on the other hand, is generally quieter and more relaxed. The air is cleaner, there is more space, and the cost of living is usually lower. People in rural areas often know their neighbors and have a stronger sense of community. However, there are fewer job opportunities and services like hospitals and schools may be far away. Young people sometimes find rural life boring because there is less entertainment and fewer things to do. In recent years, more and more people have moved from the countryside to the city looking for work and better opportunities. However, since remote work has become more common, some city people are choosing to move to rural areas to enjoy a quieter and more affordable life.